Blue-footed boobies are fascinating seabirds known for their striking blue feet and quirky courtship displays. They belong to the Sulidae family and can be found along the Pacific coasts of Central and South America, particularly in regions like the Galapagos Islands, Peru, Ecuador, and Colombia. These unique birds have captured the attention of nature enthusiasts and scientists alike due to their distinct appearance and interesting behaviors. Appearance: blue-footed boobies are medium-sized birds, measuring around 81 to 90 centimeters in length and weighing approximately 1.5 to 2.3 kilograms. They have a streamlined body with long, pointed wings and a relatively short tail. Their plumage is predominantly brown and white, with a white breast and belly, and various shades of brown on their wings, back, and head. However, the most prominent feature of the blue-footed booby is, of course, its vivid blue feet. These brightly colored feet are a sexually selected trait that plays a crucial role in their courtship displays and mate selection process. Behavior: blue-footed boobies are excellent divers and primarily feed on fish, such as anchovies and sardines, which they catch by plunge diving from heights of up to 24 meters above the water. Their streamlined body and sharp vision enable them to spot schools of fish from great distances. When hunting, they fold their wings back and dive into the water, often hitting the surface with a splash before submerging to grab their prey. Habitat: blue-footed boobies are primarily found along the Pacific coasts of Central and South America, particularly in the Galapagos Islands, Ecuador, Peru, and Colombia. They are typically found in coastal regions, nesting on rocky cliffs or islands near the shoreline. These birds are highly adapted to marine environments and are excellent divers and swimmers. Diet: blue-footed boobies are piscivorous, meaning their diet mainly consists of fish. Their hunting technique is quite remarkable. From the air, they scan the waters below for schools of small fish, such as sardines and anchovies. Once they spot their prey, they fold their wings and dive headfirst into the water from heights of up to 24 meters. Their streamlined bodies and keen eyesight enable them to catch fish with remarkable accuracy. They also have air sacs beneath their skin that act as cushions, protecting them from the impact of hitting the water. Breeding behavior: breeding season for blue-footed boobies typically begins in May and extends until October. Males play a pivotal role in attracting mates through elaborate courtship displays. Their courtship dance is one of the most remarkable behaviors observed in the avian world. During the courtship display, the male showcases his bright blue feet to the female. He lifts one foot after the other, alternating the display in an amusing and captivating manner. The intensity of the blue coloration is linked to the bird's health and vitality, making females more likely to choose a male with bluer feet as their partner. This display helps establish a strong bond between the mating pair. Nesting and rearing: blue-footed boobies are colonial breeders and often gather in large colonies on rocky islands or cliffs. They build their nests on the ground using twigs, leaves, and other materials they find nearby. The nests are relatively simple structures, and they use guano to reinforce and maintain them. Females lay 1 to 3 eggs, typically laying them several days apart. Incubation lasts around 40 days, and both parents take turns to sit on the eggs. Once hatched, the chicks are altricial, meaning they are born relatively underdeveloped and depend on their parents for food and protection. Both parents actively participate in feeding the chicks with regurgitated fish and take turns to guard the nest from potential threats. Predators and threats: while blue-footed boobies have few natural predators, their eggs and chicks are vulnerable to attacks from other seabirds, such as frigatebirds and gulls. Additionally, invasive species introduced to their nesting islands, such as rats and feral cats, pose a significant threat to their nests and young. Conservation status: as of my last knowledge update in September 2021, the blue-footed booby is not classified as globally threatened. However, localized declines have been observed in some populations due to disturbances, habitat degradation, and human-induced factors. Conservation efforts, including the protection of nesting sites and monitoring of populations, are essential to ensure their continued survival. Ecological importance. Blue-footed boobies play a significant role in their ecosystem by regulating fish populations through predation. Their guano also contributes nutrients to the marine and coastal ecosystems, benefiting plants and other animals. Overall, blue-footed boobies are charismatic and intriguing seabirds that have captured the hearts of nature enthusiasts and researchers alike. Their vibrant blue feet, comical courtship displays, and important ecological role make them a delightful and essential part of the marine environments they inhabit. Thank you for watching. We hope you know a lot about blue-footed boobies. We appreciate your concern for animals and the environment. Saving animals and protecting their habitats is crucial for the well-being of our planet.